I am so excited to share with you Laurel Denise products, her new items she just released. I have 3 of them in this box that I just purchased myself personally that I want to share with you, as well as an update from my planner that I've been using for the last year and the first 3 months of this year. Before we get started, anything you see in this video, you will see and be able to receive a 10% discount using my code Danielle10. All right, let's jump in to share with you and do the unboxing. I've been waiting to open this box, but I wanted to do it together, so let's go. All right, let's open her up. First of all, even their boxes are just beautiful. The design and everything is just so pretty. I love all of the patterns and the colors. They just really make it such a fun part of the planning process. It's to see so much fun, beautiful colors. All right, let's start with my very first thing. Stickers are something I have not used in my planners, and I'm excited to get started. I like these because they have the transparent background, so they're going to show really nice on our planners, and they're really beautiful. Let me share with you the detail. If you can see, there are such cute little fine details that are in each of these stickers. I love you, and little fine details all over. Be mine, love. This I really got because our anniversary, me and my husband's anniversary, is in April. It is a perfect little anniversary or special occasion with your significant other or family all throughout. So I love it. It's Love You Mean It stickers. I think it is so precious. Looking forward to putting those in my planner for April. All right, so those are the stickers. The next thing I got is something I tend to get a lot from Laurel Denise because I'm kind of obsessed. First of all, I'm obsessed with this cover. I just absolutely love it. Let's open her up. Isn't this pattern so pretty? It's blue and turquoise, has pops of little pink and white. I just love this pattern, and I love the little pops of pink. I think it's adorable. So this, of course, is going to be something I get all the time, and it is the sticky note set. A variation of all different colors and sizes. They have these horizontal strips, the wider little horizontal. We have these vertical ones, and then a vertical with lines, perfect for to-do lists, and then another one that is unlined. I love all the variations, and I love that special attention to detail where they actually put that adhesive on the sticky note 3/4 of the way, so that you see this resistance. That means it's sticky most of the back. That way it will stick and adhere better to your planner pages. I love that little thoughtful addition to their products. So this is a wonderful set. It is the 800 colorful sticky note set. They have another one in a different color variation, but this is the colorful, and I really went based on the cover, I do have to admit. But I love these variations as well, and the color of these sticky notes as well. Absolutely love this. To see this sitting on my desk every day, I can't wait. It's going to inspire me so much. All right, now let's get to the third product. This is the item that I've been curious to see. I'm glad we're doing it together. Here's our little sticker. And this is the Undated, love this. This is our Portrait Vertical Weekly Edition of the Undated Portrait Planner. Let's get our box out of the way. And look at this. First of all, the color is like a deep navy. It has a tiny texture. I don't know if you can see that in the video. It has a tiny texture. It's really, really neat. Now, thinking of this one, which doesn't have a pattern, you're thinking this is a great option for those who don't want the busy patterns, who don't want maybe the colorful, bright colors. They just want something simple, neutral, not busy, and this would be the perfect planner for that individual. All right, so pocket in the front. All the elements are the same. You are here. You are also here with your rulers. So there's 2 of the rulers, and these rulers go all the way down. So they go all the way down the length of the page, and they go in and out. So you can put them in anywhere you want to. Now, this has the monthly tab sticker. So they're giving you all the stickers for each of the months, January to December, 2 times. So that's available to help you with your dating. All right, then you have your welcome planner friend, first page. And then if you're new to this whole entire Laurel Denise, this is how they tell you to get started. I followed this. I followed very much the system of watching them on the community, and I definitely tried out their sticky note moving method. That is what got me hooked, and that has been the biggest help to make sure that I knew exactly where I wanted everything. But what I love about Laurel Denise is that even though you start one way, doesn't mean you're stuck that way. The planner can work with you, grow with you, and adapt to what you need. That's what I absolutely love about her planner. Now, here's those tabs. They're reinforced. You can see they're a little shiny. They're reinforced so that way when you're flipping through, they stay durable. That's where those little stickers would go, so you can decide what month you want to start on. Let's say you're starting, now. You could start that in March, or you could start that in April, however you'd like. Here are the similarities between this planner and a horizontal planner. The elements are very similar, like the months with the goals and things to remember. That is very similar to the other planners. And then here is the layout. Portrait planner is all month. They have all the squares are bigger, so if you're going to be planning out your month at a time, it is so easy and nice to see these squares bigger. And then here at the bottom you have your daily habits, so you have your habit tracker, and then you have these little squares, little rectangle boxes that you can make to-dos. You can even put your sticky notes in here, and look at this. It is no coincidence that that is the same size. So that is perfect. And then, of course, what makes Laurel Denise's planners so fabulous are these right here, your to-do this week. So each week you can put the dates in, and you can have your to-do correspond with that day of the month and that week. So if you have this is also where you have flexibility. You could start with a Monday, or you could start with Sunday. So you could put that here. And then you have your Monday, and then you have your Monday of the week, your Tuesdays, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. And then at the back, you get some blank papers to do what you need to, and they have little dotted grid lines, and you can go ahead and use it as you wish. Once again, you can use your stickies, you can make grids, you can make, lists, you can do whatever you need to do. You have plenty of options and flexibility to make it your own. And each month is the same. Let's go to the back where we have our notes. The back here, you have planning ahead. So months, you could put in months with the same thing, things to remember, so you can plan ahead. And then you can do yearly wins and yearly lessons. That is consistent with the other planners. And then you have grid paper, dotted line, graph paper, dotted line. And then on the back, you have your highlights, books I'm reading, things I'm listening to, happy moments, gratitude, hobbies, ways I'm moving my body, I'm excited for, and I'm hopeful for. You have your envelope, your pocket page in the back. So once again, a very streamlined, a very neutral, goes with everything style. And that portrait planner, this is so popular right now. Everybody loves being able to see your full month, and you design the week as you want. And now having it undated means you can start this anytime. You can give it to somebody for a birthday gift if they'd like, and their birthday's in the middle of the year. They don't feel like they're starting late. They can start whenever they want. What a fabulous gift. I'm so glad I even just sent that. That gave me just a gift idea. I really am loving this whole design. And it's super exciting. It's also super exciting to see, because this is such a popular style and layout, they are coming out with more and more products. And I'll show you in a second. I'm going to be sharing with you the products that they are catered more towards the portrait style planner. So let's get into those products. Let me show you here from the laureldenise.com website. These are the stickers. These are the additional ones they have, the spring blossoms, blooms, the rainy day stickers. Then there are plenty more undated planners for mini vertical,
Undated Vertical Weekly Planner. They have the horizontal, and they also have a project planner. You can see here they also have the sticky note set in the colorful, and then they also have this neutral color as well. Here is that project planner in the evergreen color, and then they have additional acrylic bookmark sets, and then more inserts here, the dot grid paper, the project breakdown insert pages, as well as checklists, which are now all available in the portrait style. Let's go ahead and look at one of those, the project breakdown. As you can see here, all variations for the mini, the portrait, and the standard planner size. And on their site, on these product pages, if you go below the product, you will see examples and ways that they use the inserts in each of the planners, so you can see it specifically for the portrait planner and all the other styles. The planner I purchased and demoed in this video was the Ocean Breeze Undated Portrait Planner. It is currently out, but will be back in April. So if you do any shopping now, use my code Danielle10 to get 10% off, and you could do it again when that planner is available in April with the other products coming then as well. Super exciting. I am so thrilled for all these fun things they continue to create. Let's get into my planner now.
So my 2025 planner, this is the Vertical Weekly Planner. This is the Twilight cover. Still loving it. I think it is so beautiful. All right, I'm just going to share a quick recap of how I've been doing and take you along the updates going into March. I still love my plastic insert pages. I have one for meal planning and I have one for swirling thoughts. Just 4 squares on the back of here, lined for the front. My meal plan, which I just have per day. And then on the back, I use it instead of a shopping list, I use it for what is in the freezer, pantry, and fridge, kind of like an inventory. So I love that. I use that weekly, so I know exactly what I'm working with on my meal plan for the week. I've been using the project plan pages, even though they're specific to days, I've been using them just as like a long sheet of paper that fits really nicely here, that I could break my project into steps. And this one specifically is I'm working on a process for the photos and videos that I have and where I'm putting them to reduce the amount of storage, where they get transferred from, where I keep them, and this is a whole process. So I'm using these project plan insert sheets for mostly like a process. All right, but I am actually liking that because it keeps it in the long format that I need just to keep it here. I'm glad it's not a half page. I love the space that I can utilize. So even though I may not be using each day of the month like a check or a highlight, I do love that I have the whole sheet. Okay. I am using these 2 pages every single day. I use my month at a glance where I kind of have like a theme, if you will, or the things that I want to really focus on for that month. And so I put those here. And they are usually just a reflection of these. These are the projects and the goals. Under here are my tasks, but I did go ahead and put a sticky note of the repeatable tasks because I felt like when I crossed it off here, I'd have to put it right back on. So I put those in a repeatable task sticky note. So that has been a little adjustment I've made. Everything else is the same. My list of 2025 goals are there, which are basically all of these just kind of more focused, saying if I achieve these, I feel so accomplished. Okay, so that's how I'm using that. Everything else I'm still using. If you have joined me from the beginning with my last year planner, you know I have gone on a journey taking you from when I started in pencil to now. You will see colored pens. Erasable pens are my absolute favorite. I use them so much that I kind of now do a different color per month. So you'll see as we get into a new month, I have a new color, and I'm even getting into more and more colors as we go along, just because I really like it. And I'm now, as you saw on my purchase, I've now bought some stickers. So you're gonna start to see April. So next time we do an update, you're gonna see April with stickers. So the evolving of my planner, first of all, I use it every single day. I use the to do this month. I still do on the side here, I put the first day of the week. So whatever Monday that is, 17th, 24th, the 3rd, the 10th, and then it kind of helps me break out the week, of which I then know to put here on to do this week. What I love, this planner, as you see this one, all my things are in one place. So I've got the month here, I've got the week here, and then just a running list of what to do this month. And then that running list to do each week. Love that this is here. This is like the lifeline of the week. This is what I go to, and specifically what I go to top here are the 3 things I want to focus on, whether that be with work, personal, or a combination of both. I like to put those right up here. So, and then I started using again the highlights. I started putting those in here, and I'm going to decorate that more, but I did go back to using that. I wasn't using it, but I am using this section for highlights of the month. And then I did start using my habit tracker. I am trying to work out more, so I'm trying to do that with my workouts, and then also the vitamins I'm taking. So yes, I am using my habit tracker. Otherwise, I am tracking my life, what I'm doing every day, every week, every month, and then the whole year at a glance. I really think that's how I work best. I'm seeing me achieve things. Let's see, you can see I fill in a lot of the circles because I'm really, this planner helps me stay focused. It helps me keep the things in front of me and really knowing what I should be working on. So I absolutely love it. I'm continuing. I'm using it as I intended. I feel very purposeful. I feel like I'm being very productive. And as you can see, as we continue throughout the year, just keep evolving in more and more creativity, but I'm absolutely loving it. All right, well, that concludes our update of the new products, where I'm going, and also the other items that are available with my code and that are on the website. And be looking out for new things coming in April. Can't wait to see that as well. Thanks so much for joining. I love having this opportunity to share all the fun Laurel Denise products with you and my planner journey with you as well. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.